Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix secure folder is missing in Samsung Galaxy A14. If you're using Galaxy A14 and you're facing the issue that secure folding is not available in your phone, so let's see how can you find it. So basically in some Samsung phones, secure folder feature is not available. So if you're using Samsung Galaxy A14, just go to settings here, go to the search or security and privacy section, and here you will be able to find secure folder, or sometimes you might see that in more security settings you might be able to find secure folder. But if you are unable to find secure folder here, so it might be that your phone's doesn't store secure folder, and in its Galaxy A14 secure folder is not built in. You can also use a third party app for app security and file security. So in this way you can easily fix if your secure folder is missing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.